My hello and welcome to all of you. I am Dr. Sachin, psychiatry faculty at DAMS. With me, I have Dr. Ramya. She has secured a All India rank 88. Heartiest congratulations, Ramya, and thank you for being with us. Very, very congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ramya, tell us about yourself.
I'm Ramya. I'm from Bangalore. I've done my MBBS from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, and that's it.
Good. So when did you actually start preparing, Ramya, for
So
PG
I
exam?
started my preparation from third year.
Hmm.
Third year, that's it.
I've noticed that very few students in Bangalore start preparation in third year. You must have noticed the same, because most of the students are coming after the internship ends. So what motivated you to start early?
Sir, ENT faculty from DAMS had come and gave a demo in our college. So that's when I decided to join
Okay,
DAMS.
okay. So do you think that starting early was useful?
Yes, definitely, sir. In fact, I regret that I should have started from first year itself.
Great. So did you attend third year face-to-face classes or online classes?
Face to face, face to face.
How was your experience in face-to-face DAMS Bangalore?
It was pretty good, sir.
Uh,
Offline classes, we can't interact much, sir. But face to face, we can clear our doubts uh, since the teachers and faculties are available. We
mhm.
can clear our doubts then and there. But in offline, we don't get much chance to clear our doubts there then and there, sir.
You mean to say in online you are unable to clear doubts, but when you are in a face-to-face class, you are better. So, did you attend all the subjects in third year or some subjects?
I think I had missed only OBG, radio, and anatomy, which I had completed in my fourth year from online classes.
App itself, eMedico's app itself.
Yes.
So, how in third year were you able to manage along with your college the remaining 16 subjects face-to-face classes?
To be frank, no, sir.
Hmm. Because when there are many third year students from your college in Bangalore, they ask, Madam, how did you manage college along with the classes? It's a little not that easy, I feel so.
Yes, sir. I had actually only done my notes, prepared my notes, like ready to use material for my study further. So whatever I had done was during internship and post internship, but I just followed my notes.
But preparing the notes early kind of helped you so that
Yes,
you
sir.
you don't have to sit for the classes again during
Exactly.
internship and post internship. Because by you, I want to convey to all the third and final year students that if she can do, everyone can do the classes in third year. Great, great. You are an example for them. So in final year, you continued through eMedico's app,
Yes,
uh,
sir.
and you finished the lectures. How was your experience with the app lectures?
App lectures, like I could go at my own pace in online classes, but in offline classes I had to hurry. Like I have to concentrate on the topics as well. I have to write down the notes as well. But this I could do at my own pace. That was an advantage.
Okay. Then did you use the same notes till your final revision?
Yes, yes, yes.
How much helpful was the content that you prepared in actual NEET PG exam?
100%, sir.
So you relied on the same notes itself and carried
Yes,
it till your post-internship attempt.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Tell us more if a undergraduate wants to ask you how to prepare, madam. Suppose your own college junior wants to ask, what is your suggestion for them?
Like stick to one source. Do not run behind more information. Just whatever they say, just follow that. Stick to one proper thing. And revision is a key. Like I had revised like 3 or 4 times till now, the entire thing. And
Okay.
MCQs and revision. Two things to
Any
do.
other feature in DAMS that you use, DVT, or did you
Yes, yes. DVT I had done last year also, this year also. And it was very helpful. Like for rapid revision, it is helpful, sir. And
Okay.
PYT also. PYTs are most helpful than DVT, I guess.
Okay. How was your experience about this year NEET PG paper?
When I gave my NEET PG paper, I thought it was more difficult than my INI CET paper. I
Did you
got second, sir.
did you write morning or afternoon session?
Afternoon session. In that surgery, though, I couldn't figure out only. It was so damn difficult. Other things were fine, sir. All other subjects were fine. Surgery, I found it difficult.
Okay. So what is your advice to the students who want to prepare for next NEET PG, looking at this paper?
Concepts. Building up your concepts is the key.
Okay. Any particular person that comes to your mind after achieving this great success who has been a part of your journey?
Like DAMS faculty.
Anyone in your family or faculty member that comes to your mind? Any friends?
No, sir. Only my family, my father and my mother, sir.
Okay. Is there any message that you would like to convey to the future aspirants?
Just keep the perseverance, sir. Like, don't give up. If one day you feel lazy, next day you wake up, you do your thing. Just follow your timetable. Just don't give up. That's it.
So we invite you for our career counseling session in Delhi and we hope to see you and let's discuss about the career and future perspective. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Thank you so much,
Sure.
Raman. Thank you. It's a pleasure
Thank
talking to
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank